Today I discuss about cytology. Cytology and part of the cell nucleus. This is the most important part of the cell, known as brain of the nucleus. The cell, also called controller of the cell, because it controls all cellular activities of the metabolic activities of the cell. Now I sketch the structure of the nucleus. Structure of the nucleus. It is double membrane bound structure. Bound structure like this. Outer one is known as the outer membrane, and the inner one is known as the inner membrane. The space between these two membranes is known as the perinuclear space. Range 10 to 50 nanometer. Inner part is known as the nucleoplasm. The outer membrane continues to form rough endoplasmic reticulum. ATS ribosomes is attached to this outer surface, and inner membrane is known as the cellular nuclear lamina. This supports the structure of the nucleus, and plain, not rough. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is known as the rough, as the ATS ribosomes attached on the surface of this, and it is help in protein synthesis. Sorry. Protein synthesis is the main function of occurs on the ribosomes, and all the structures is carried out by the protein. These all structure is collectively known as the nuclear envelope. And nuclear pore is also present on the is present on the surface. So, this is the structure of nucleus and known as double membrane bond structure. Outer structure continues to form the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Inner membrane is smooth and helps in the structure of the structure maintaining in the nucleus. In the nucleoplasm, another structure is known as the nucleolus. Here the protein synthesis, RNA synthesis occurs. RNA synthesis OCU occurs. This is the membraneless structure. Nucleus is the membraneless structure. And calcium is required for the maintaining this their own position. This is all about the structure of nucleus. Now, I briefly discuss about the function of nucleus. Function of the nucleus. Because it is known as the brain of the nucleus, all the cellular activity, metabolic activity is controlled by the nucleus. Activities mRNA synthesis occurs here. Process is known as transcription. All the hereditary information stored here. Process central dogma. Controlled by the cellular activity. This is the summary of the main functions of the nucleus. Okay.